Dude, trading has been so hard recently. Like the start of this year has been rough for me. Like, damn. Let's just get into it. Take a wild guess on which trade I took. It's the one on the left, man. This is not even in hindsight, but I should have took the trade on the right, and the reason why. I mean, I guess this is an excuse, but I'm not sure if this happens to anyone else. Well, actually, I do know. I seen it. But sometimes TradingView tweaks out and the candles don't look like the actual candles that are presented on the real chart. And so what I mean by that is where I would have entered, or what I would have want to entered right here. Like, it was like this candle was this happens like on volatile candles. And I wish I had an example to show so I wasn't just saying it, just out of my ass. But there's some times where this candle is like, it's weird. I don't even know how to explain it. It's so weird. But the moral of the story is this 1 minute fair value gap wasn't formed when I was looking at it. And then I glanced at the alpha charts because I was also looking at the alphas to make sure potentially to enter a trade. And I realized, oh, wait, there's actually a fair value gap there. And then by the time I refreshed it and then I saw it, it was kind of too late in my opinion. And I don't know, I'm kind of weird. I didn't want to enter like right here. I wanted to get the exact entry where I would have, should have entered. And it made me felt weird entering a little later, and I don't know. But yeah, I mean, I guess that's an excuse. I really wanted to enter this trade because this was perfect, but then I ended up just going with this trade, which was based on the same idea and everything. But yeah, I'm just so annoyed at NQ today, man. NQ just moves so stupid compared to ES. Uh, ES is my first love, but whatever, dude. Let's just get into the trade. The P&L 360. That was exactly around the amount I wanted to risk on the live, and then just a full size loss on the fundeds. One more trade. I mean, I could break it up in two, risk 300, but I don't know. I'm just over it, man. It's just like on the alphas at least, it just looks so gross. Look at that, dude. Oh, back-to-back losses. Fourth loss on the, well, really five. I lost two this day. These five losses. This shouldn't even been a loss, dude. It's just, oh my goodness, dude. Oh, trading so hard. I'm like getting deja vu from like this time of the year last year, where it was cold. I was chopped. I'm kind of sick right now. And trading was so hard back then. And I felt like I got so much better, but just like these past few weeks, this past couple months, the start of the year just been so hard for me, man. Just I hate this. I hate this drought. But let's just get into the trade, I guess. Coming into the day, I didn't really have a set bias. I kind of saw two things playing out uh, in each direction because, I mean, 4 hour we invalidated this big gap. I'm like, okay. And then we're retracing into this bearish gap now. So, like, we could be bearish. And then I was also bullish because, I mean, we validated this big 1 hour gap, and now we're retracing into 1 hour bullish confluences. So it's like, I don't know. I mean, higher time frames do hold higher power, but I also realize we do have this new week opening gap. So there's that. Is this thing going down now? NQ sucked today, man. I mean, come on, look at, okay, we'll just go from the candle I got stopped out at. So I got stopped out at this candle. And look at the move, look at the candle that it was on ES. Bro, Wait, no, I got stopped out. I think this candle? Dude, this does not look familiar, and this just happened like minutes ago. I swear it was this one. I don't, dude. Just either way, like, look how we're chopping up here. Dude, I was gonna enter once we got after I missed like this entry. I was like, okay, let me look at NQ. I was gonna enter. We invalidated this, but like, bro, look at this. Like, how many candles did it take to invalidate that 1 minute gap? And it looks like it's gonna play out now. Wow, we just took out that draw on ES. Pure manipulation, dude. That's like literally like the only word I have for how the market's been acting and how I've been getting railed and manipulated. I don't even know where I was at. I was talking about the bias, but yeah, like I said, we have this new week opening gap, so also I could see us being bullish, but we did take out that new week opening gap when market opened, which is annoying. I would want to have seen NQ take it out as well, so we don't create confusion in seeing where the market wants to go. Okay, so after that, I saw a clear reaction off this liquidity sweep after taking out new week opening gap. And then, okay, I was like, bet, I'm looking at ES this whole time. I like the way ES is moving. Okay, we invalidated this 5 minute gap. Okay, at this point, during this 5 minute formation candle, I was thinking about taking longs because, as you can see, we took out that low, so we made SMT. But after this 5 minute candle close, I was like, okay, we're clearly bearish, so probably going to be short. And then we create this 5 minute gap. Okay, I'm looking for that retrace and then a 1 minute confirmation. We got that, man, and this is the A plus perfect setup, and just completely missed it out. And then with this displacing candle, that's where I entered on NQ, because I mean, if we're truly bearish and want to go lower, yes, we could reverse off this PD arrays, these high time frame PD arrays, which is this 1 hour gap. That's why I'd say it's pure manipulation, dude. If we're truly bearish, why are we like doing this? I know exactly why, so we can take people out like myself. And just, it's just unfortunate, man. Just hated the way these candles were forming during the trade. Like, look at this, like just playing with us, playing with me around my break even. Like, I was contemplating just closing out the trade because I hated the way it was playing out. I hated it, but it's kind of an indication of, you know, your emotions playing in if you close early before the trade even plays out, negatively or positively. Damn. But yeah, just I've been getting pure manipulated, bro. Look at that, our stop out, and then how many points have we gone in now? All the way 73 points after getting stopped out. So I don't know what to tell you, man. I mean, look at ES. It was chopping, but like it's not going up to stop people out. It just like slowly goes down. But with NQ slowly up, taking you out, boom. NQ is ES has always been my first love, no cap. But yeah, just hated the way it looked, retracing into these 1 hour gaps. But we're just going straight down on ES. Just like, alright, bro, I guess. And then we also created this 5 minute gap. That's the thing too. Like, we created this 5 minute gap shortly after we entered the trade. 9:10. When did we enter? Yeah, 5 minutes after. And then, oh, doesn't matter. We actually respected it too. That's the crazy part, bro. Just so gay, dude. So gay, man. And it just, I don't think I'm taking bad trades, but if they're not working out, that's not a good indication. So I don't know, man. I don't know. P&O, like I said, down 360 and down 580. Just brutal, bro. Just absolutely brutal. just one more trade now until we blow it. And it's just been, I know things can change really quick for the better, but at this present moment, just it sucks. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. I'm not gonna try to say anything motivational. I try to keep it to myself so I can, stick the course, trust the process. But it's pretty damn hard, man. Going through this right now, and yeah, I mean that's all I really have to say. It's just fucking hard, man. I guess that's it. We didn't have any news today. This week, I don't even know what this week is looking like. I mean, it doesn't look bad, but fuck, bro. Damn. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Look at this trade, man. Just a beautiful, beautiful trade. That would have made back the losses from last week and just set the tone for the rest of the week. But I guess just 1% better every day. Why didn't this trade play out? I mean, we already took this draw again, but oh man, I really wanted to take this on ES, dude. It sucks that I missed out. It really does. And I had to settle for this. I was just waiting for a clean break of something. This inverse clean break of structure, but we never got that, and then we finally did. And this candle took out this draw, but I was still willing to take it. It's just like, damn, bro. Like, we're most likely going to hit this draw. Maybe. Unless we reject off these levels. But frustrating. To say the least, man. Frustrating. It sucks. I'm out of here, man. I got to go with my day. Hit the gym. Forget about it. Move on to the next. God bless. Always.